My people, come hear the one where they happen now. They say that the UGM don't go carry one police down with Amadioha Bállistic missile. Don't be smart, as we they talk right now, one police station for inside Oba don't boy yata. It's that one they happen. They go transform again, go from Mbano for another one from Mbano. It's burning yata. So we they talk right now. My people, everywhere don't read. And they don't say sometimes things go to happen, but we don't know waiting be the cause and waiting be the genesis of all those things where they happen. Let me tell you something, how all these things started. We have to start from the beginning. Remember, that was I think 2015 when the IPOP members were going for rally in different part of Southeast. So the Nigerian military took them on the way, stop full box, and ask all of them to go into a mud this is mud the river, what am I going to call it, that is where there's a water, and rode them in the mud. After rolling them on the mud, they beat them, they flog them, they maltreat them. On that process that day, in another protest, they buy many people, and those people, if you watch that video, you will see some IPOP facing the soldier, asking them to buy me. They are no longer afraid of death. So inside them, let me tell you people something. Inside them, many of them said, okay, we are not going to do this peaceful again. We are no longer IPOP, and they leave and go and become the monster they want to be because I've trained them. Okay, no end for there. The Southeast governors said Nnamdi Kanu don't create ESN. They go create Ebobago. And what is the work of Ebobago in Southeast? Ebobago go see youth, they go buy the youth with no investigation. For inside the same Oba, inside last 2 or 3 months, Ebobago buy one young man. This triggered the youth and the people of Oba. They block a road that leads to other states or other communities. They cried. Nobody heard them. The people who buy their people, nobody was persecuted. Maybe they know what they happen for Nigeria because before you start judging. The people cry, say Ebobago don't buy our people. For inside Imo State, Ebobago is busy buying the youth every blessed day, and nothing is happening. Now, another group of people don't provoke. Say, if government cannot do anything to these people, Ebobago, and other people cannot do these people, this is where all these are coming from. You are building a monsters than fearless monsters. Fearless men. They are no longer afraid of anything again. This is what is happening in Southeast. Let me tell you. You see, every young man you see in Southeast are not afraid of anything again. Every young man you see in Southeast are not afraid of anybody, be you who. They are no longer afraid because they have seen it. Our father tell us the story of how the Biafran war went, but now the one we have seen with our 2 eyes is bigger than Biafran war. What is happening in Southeast now? Because you are not living there, you are not, where you are shooting, people will be laughing because they are used to sound of gun, and that is how it's supposed to be. After all, that is how it's supposed to be. Not when something starts happening, everybody will be panicking. No, everybody know what to do because they are used to it now in Southeast. So if you are not used to it, if you are not used to it in your own state, please stay away from that particular side. What happened yesterday in Oba? Oba Community Hall is gone by UGM. Unknown UGM. Oba Police Station is gone. Unknown UGM. Are you trying to tell me that this is not the revenge of the people you broke their heart? The revenge of the people you think you can incarcerate? Is it? Since the government refused to do the work professionals to do the needful, and people have taken the law in their hand, and we'll be seeing more of this every day. Mbano, the same thing is happening. Imo State, no be smart thing. Okay, I'll play the video of the one of Oba for you to watch, and before we come back, continue. But before I play the video of what happened, I play the when the youth are crying that look at this bag have buy our brother and nothing is done. I'll play that video, then I will play the video of what is playing in Oba right now. Stay tuned and watch the video. We'll come back and continue.
I bụ ndị Ọba blọk Owerri road atata this federal road maka na ife nke akaligo emeghị ogboro na abọ na ba ya agbachi nkịtị mana anyị sị na ya ma agbachi nkịtị na nke a ọ ndị ebube agụ ọya ka anyị na-aya na ba anyị sị na fa ma bịazi ba anyị ọzọ n'abalị ụnyaahụ ka fa gbagbu nwanne m nwoke na-enwere ife ọ na-eme ọ dị ezu ori ọ dị agba ama abịa gbaa ya egbe na-enye ebe a na-enye ebe a ọ ndị ebube agụ gbagbu ya na-enye ya ọ dị ebube agụ na-asị na ebe a na ozu nwanne m nwoke ebe a agbagbu ya n'abalị nnyaa ebe to 11 o'clock PM ebe ọ nọkwa n'iru shop ya o anyị wee sị na ụzọ ama aga tata na this federal road Ọba Owerri road anyị kwu na ife nke akaligo ndị gọọmenti ya bịa gwa anyị ife batafa ji gbagbu nwanne anyị nwoke na-enwere ife ọ na-eme ọ dị ezu ori fa ga-agwa ife batafa ji gbagbu ya tata unu n'ezi anya unu ga-afụ na mmadụ ndị Ọba niile gwụ n'ụlọ taa gọọmenti ya bịa gwa anyị ife batafa ji gbagbu nwanne anyị nwoke Soludo ya bịa gwa ife ndị ebube agụ ji bịa gbaa nwanne anyị nwoke egbe gbagbuo ya n'abalị nnyaa ife nke akaligo elu ọmọ ekene gị nwanne anyị nwoke ka nna anụ na ndị ebube agụ gbagbu taa ọ bụkwa eziokwu ka isi
sikpọkwa steeti gọọmenti ka afọkwa nke ahụ obere ga-asị na ndị Ọba ebidokwa
nsogbu adịrọ fa ga-afụ nke a unu ezi anya unu ga-afụ na mmadụ karịrị akarị ma ndị nọ n'ụlọ onye ọbụla ọ metụta onye ọbụla n'obi onye ọbụla na-ehi na-ebe akwa ekelekwa m na ụmụnne m n'ọnọdụ ugo na rịpọt from Ọba Owerri road ebe ahụ ka anyị nọ kịta Ọba Owerri road expressway anyị kwụ n'ụzọ ama aga tata.
Now this is the current situation of Oba. Now let me play you the video of what is happening in Oba right now. Let me tell you people, for those of you people that do not believe that Biafra land, the Igbo land, the Southeast region are still under attack by this Nigeria government, you have to open your eyes to easy. Just watch.
Ebe a na-eme meeting na-atụ alo etu Ọba ya esedo mma mee ka ọ dị agbalịsi eburu ya ebe niile nwere ọkụ ka civic center agbalịsi eburu ya ife a họọlụ nkwọ ebe ya na-afụga na vidiyo na-emega meeting na nkwọ ọ ya dị ife a ụmụnne m ndị ụmụahụ ma abroad egwudu n'abalị ụnyaahụ n'Ọba so I keep on posted come mago se batakwuru ebe niile gbalizi agbali ndị mekome wako weda ebe niile wee gbalisia ọ ya ka ndị fanye sti musha nego efe nyero alu na ụmụnne m ndị ụmụagụ ma ndị abroad ụtụtụ ọma anya ya bụ gosipụtakwuru na Ọba police station na ndị na-ekwu bịakwa Ọba police station wee dara ụlọ police station wee gbaa ya gwugwu agbalụ police station agbalụ nkwọ egburu mmadụ agbagbuso n'ọfịsa so na ọ bụrụ obere ife
Police station Aba. Police station Aba. Police station Aba. On fire.
My wonderful people, welcome back as you have watched that video and see what is happening in Biafra land in a place called Oba, current Anambra state. My people, when I don't see them, so now be the thing where would they talk. You see these things where they happen now, you know go end today and you know go end tomorrow. The Maazina and the Kalo, the indigenous people of Biafra leader, Amadioha, one of Igbo, have speaking, say, leave me, let me go home and see what I will do, but it did not stop for what we are fighting for. You people said, no, go use power, hold up. You know, this is not be Agbo routine, no. For Igbo land, they get strong head pass you. When you come to violence, then get and pass you times 10. When you come to no go gree, they get and pass you times 100. No only Igbo people na Hausa, Fulani people they fear for Nigeria because they know say Igbo man no be no, they know they shout for mouth. They know they shout, and that's why you see those men where they do this thing. And where did they carry this thing go now? For where police, army, where they go meet them for their house. People will get mind. Come meet you for your house, pursue you. What do you think? If you say, okay, don't say to what thing they go do? They go do worse than this one, oh. My people, I don't talk am before for this platform. You know, say we will not get millions of followers. They know they see us. But would they send the message clear as it take be? If Nigeria did not call round table from now going on, things will be happening. There must be a round table. If we want to be a bigger nation, everyone will sit down and agree on it and will create a country that we want. If you people are not ready to do this, please leave the people who want to go. This is the only way out. There is no other way. There is no other professional in economists, in all the whole sectors that will make Nigeria great, that will lift Nigeria for this situation it is. Because the tribalism is already there. There is a problem. This country was not created by us. It was created by a man who come to do business in our land and to reap us. So if you need our own country, I will call a home, there must be a discussion. There must be a round table talk. Apart from this, there's no other way. There's no other way. Anything you like, restructure Nigeria, it will not. But when people come together, then those who say, I want to be part of this nation, it will be. Those who say they don't want to be, will stay on their own. This is the only solution to this whole thing. If not, we'll buy ourselves. And anything that happen right now in Nigeria that lead to a civil war again in Nigeria is not going to be it happen in Southeast. No, it's going to be everywhere because the world have shifted fast. It's not going to be funny. It's not going to be Lagos is doing business while the East are fighting. The Northerners are doing business while the East are fighting. No, it's going to be everywhere. So nowhere is safe. Remember that there is one going on in northern part of the Nigeria, the people who believe in Islamization of Nigeria. So when something began in the East, they will use that opportunity and Islamize all the whole North. There will be no Christian in the North again. The West is their next target, which is Yorubas, is their next target. When they jump into that area as well, it's going to be another one in that place. So now tell me how many people the government is going to fight. You see that government cannot win the war. The very simple solution to this is a round table referendum, giving people sense of belonging. Let us create our own country. If you people can. But if not, let the Biafrans go with immediate effect. And it's so clear that Biafrans has made their demand that they want to be on their own. So the only way out is round table. When they come to round table, then referendum and other thing. But if not, it's going to be a heavy battle. And last, na grass go suffer am. My people, abeg share this video as e dey hot.